Hello, this is Lamine Elabed. I am the owner and the operator of L3W Construction and Handyman Services. Mainly we do bathroom, kitchen remodels, siding, repair-wise we do electrical, carpentry, plumbing. We do pretty much everything really around the house or the business. Our customer always choose us because they trust us, they trust our expertise and our honesty. A lot of times if something we cannot do, we just would say so, or we cannot do properly, we say so. Sometimes the customer requests to do something that's not up to code or is not up to standard, we just refuse to do it. And they like us for that because we're honest about it. Customer service to me is very, very important. To be aware of the customer property, making sure everything is covered before we do any work, making sure we clean up after ourselves. And I'm always there basically to check on the quality, and we're always talking to the customer to get their feedback from day one. We always check with them at the end of the day, always get their feedback. We only hire folks who have been in business for 15, 20 years, believe it or not. They know their trade, they have the right tools, and they have the right attitude. We don't really hire anybody or send anybody who's got 1 or 2 years of experience. They have to know what they're doing for many years. As I said, we do a lot of bathroom remodels. One of our referral customers in San Bruno, we did the first bathroom and then we did the second, and now we're doing an additional third one. And they actually decided to give our guys a bonus. And so there's a bonus ready for them when we do the third bathroom. And again, they refer us to their friends, they have more job leads from that. So that's the ultimate, to me, the ultimate customer satisfaction. So this is where we come in, is basically make people's life easier, more affordable, safer. We are all about quality. All my folks, all my guys know that everything has to be quality or it has to be redone again. Please give us a call anytime you'd like to have a project done at your home, whether it's a bathroom, kitchen remodel, or anything else. Give us a call. We'll give you a free bid, no obligation bid anytime. Thank you.